complaint.
No. It's on a police report.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬಿಐ ಕೇಸು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್.
I'm sorry, they're all
paragraphs.
my lords, in all 7 judgments, starting with this Jagdish Ram, my lords, versus State of Rajasthan, 2004,
Yes.
relevant portion, paragraph 10, at my lords, page 6, paragraph 10.
Yes.
Then, my lords, the second judgment is Bhushan Kumar versus State, 2012 5 SCC 424. The relevant paragraph, my lords, is at paragraph 11 at page 13 and paragraph 18, my lords.
Yes.
It referred to in
My lords,
Vikas.
then,
Yes.
Referred to in Vikas.
yes.
Yes.
Then comes the next judgment, State of Gujarat versus Arfos. My lords has relied on this. I will point out, my lords, how my lords relied on this judgment.
2019.
2019-20.
Hassan Fata.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
In this, the relevant paragraphs, my lords. Paragraph 16 at page 25. And 25. Then, my lords, at page 27, paragraph 21 till 23, my lords, which we get at page 28. Everywhere, my lords, they show the difference between a private complaint and when it's on a police report. Thereafter, my lords, the next important judgment, I'm sorry, my lords, in that judgment, 23, ಮತ್ತೆ one more paragraph at 39 ಇದೆ, 39,
Yes.
which is at page 34. Then, my lords, in a criminal revision petition, the coordinate bench of our court, my lords, the very same contention now was taken in that case, my lords. I think my learned senior had appeared in that matter also, my lords. He took the same contention, application of mind on a police report in Jayachandra's case. The relevant paragraph there, my lords, in Jayachandra's case is paragraph 14 at page 56, my lords. The court would say, no, insofar as a police report, it is not required that you have to disclose a lot in it. Then, my lords, the next judgment
Yes.
is Pradeep Odayar. This is the most important.
Most important 108.8. Yes.
Adralli, my lords, Pradeep Odayar alli,
Pradeep Odayar, paragraph 108.8.
adikkinta modlu paragraph 10.
No,
Odayar.
Pradeep Odayar cognizance gene there is one issued.
Haudu, ಆ issue ಅಲ್ಲಿ, my
related.
lords, paragraph
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
10.
conclusion is paragraph 108. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 108.8 ನೋಡಿ.
Haudu, my lords, paragraph 11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ they extract the cognizance order. That is most relevant, my lords.
Yes.
My lords would get that at page 9.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
ಆ cognizance order, if you want to see, Justice Michael Kunna ಅವ್ರ judgment ಅದು.
ಹೌದು.
He affirmed that.
Even in Pradeep Odayar,
It's affirmed only.
they extract that, my lords.
Yes, yes.
They extract, my lords, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, page 95, paragraph 11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, what it says is, peruse the final report.
Yes.
Cognizance is taken against accused 1 to 5. Register the case. Register the case and issue summons to 1 to 5, returnable by so and so. This is what it says in Pradeep Odayar. And the contention taken was, there is no application of mind. Now, answering that, my lords, in Pradeep Odayar, they distinguish the two aspects. When it is on a private complaint, how the cognizance order and issuance of process should be. When it is on a private complaint, on a police report, how it should be. My lords, that commences from paragraph 85, my lords. Page 132 ali.
Yes.
They deal with all the earlier rulings on this, my lords.
Yes.
Paragraph 85 in the 91 varege, my lords. The whole issue is covered. Then,
Yes.
my lords, following this,
Counsel, mark the paragraphs you're relying on.
adralli moor judgment avurdu.
Give it.
Moor judgment, I can point out what is different. Our first judgment is on the basis of a private complaint. My lords, first judgment, private complaint. The last of the judgment, 306 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, it was a B report. B report ಮೇಲೆ 202 proceeding agi, then when there was issuance of process, there was no application of mind. That the court said is wrong. You have a B report with you, you do a 202 inquiry, and then you're going to be issuing process, you should show application of mind anta. Whereas in all these 7 judgments, my lords, which I am relying on, it is on the case of police reports, how it should be done. Even they have extracted, my lords, what's the cognizance taken. Now, my lords has extracted the cognizance taken. I'll point out my lords' judgment, my lords. 2 judgments of my lords. My lords, first is Ratan Babulal. My lords should get it at page 151.
Page 33 of my judgment. See page 34, the next page. I have said it, the perusal at the order of taking of cognizance does bear application of mind.
Absolutely.
So it is not applicable.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Then, my lords, the other judgment where my lords felt there is no application
That
of
was an
mind.
error because PC Act that I was
Okay.
dealing with PC Act. So I have said so. The subsequent judgments of the Supreme Court are here. Yes, sir.
So, my
Anything
lords,
else, sir?
now as it stands, my lords, and kindly what was read in our judgment was our cognizance order, my lords, page
52.
552. Please notice, my lords, I'll just read this, what has been taken as cognizance here. Peruse the charge sheet and all the documents submitted along with the charge sheet by the investigating agency. 552, my lords. On perusal of the same, this court is satisfied at this stage that prima facie offense has been committed by the accused as alleged. The charge sheet and its enclosed papers satisfies that there exists sufficient materials to proceed against the accused. Therefore, cognizance is taken under section 191B of CRPC for offences under section 418, 420, 465, 466, 120B against the accused persons. Office to register the case as criminal case against the accused for so and put up. Issue summons to the accused. So in my respectful submission, this is all that would be required in a police report for taking cognizance, my lords. My lords, I've placed all the judgments on this point. I leave to the court. So I had to breeze through it.
It should not turn counterproductive to you.
Okay,
When you come to this side, they should not turn
But my lords,
191B.
because these are aspects of law, my lords, we had to place whatever is there, my lords.
Correct.
Whether
No, no,
it
but
works to our benefit
the lighter
or
ways.
not.
Can't help. Yes. Mark ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕೊಡಿ ಸಾರ್ ನೀವು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ
my lords, ನನ್ನ ಅವ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ.
ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಐ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್
Yes, my lords. Could I give
always
my-
the firm opinion that any order whether it is 156(3) or 204 or cognizance being taken at 191B 190B
191A.
191A or B only two.
Yes,
See, taking of cognizance ಅಷ್ಟೇ issuance of process under 204.
not four. Correct.
So
Correct.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ if it does not bear any application of mind, it definitely
My
causes
lords, what
a
happened
problem.
in Pradeep Vader was exactly this. They said when an investigation
No
has come.
problem. Post Pradeep Poder, there are many.
No, all those. I've produced even post Pradeep Vader. My lords,
Post Pradeep Poder ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು.
how do?
ವಿಕಾಸ್
No.
My lords,
ವಿಕಾಸ್
thumbnail
ಶಫಿ
judgment
ಅಹಮದ್
ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಅಂದಲ್ಲ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಫಿ ಅಹಮದ್ ಇವೆರಡೇ
ನಂದಿದೆ
ಇರೋದು.
No, no.
Post
Supreme-
Pradeep Poder,
My
you
lords-
give me post Pradeep Poder, you give me one judgment of the apex court which follows Pradeep Poder and says reason should not be there.
Reasons?
Should
My
not be.
lords, no,
Reasons
Pradeep Vader also doesn't say that. My lords, Pradeep Vader says,
Pradeep Poder says at 108.8 that when the cognizance is taken on a police report, that is the charge sheet filed, it need not bear reasons like how cognizance
average
is taken
reasons. Yes, my lords.
on a
That's-
private complaint.
Absolute.
All
Absolute.
right?
Absolute.
Yes.
Now, if it's a private complaint, my lords, they may have to say, what is the gist of the allegation? Because there's no investigation done.
True.
Why you are satisfied that the gist
That-
constitutes the offense?
That does not mean that the duty of the concerned court to record at least some semblance of application of mind is obviated.
My lords, I leave it to the court, my lords. This is what I find
Yes,
so far as police reports
no,
are
we'll-
concerned.
we'll
Because,
con-
my lords, I may also say this, I'm sure Leonard Senior will also agree. More than 80%, my lords, more than 80% of all the cognizance orders on police
Are like
reports,
this, correct? Should there not be a correction?
my lords,
You tell me, should there not be a correction?
my lords may have to lay
We
it
also
down.
follow what is happening throughout and say, yes, this is all right. So that is why apex court has later on written, there should be a correction.
My lords,